To automatically turn on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra screen when you pick up your phone, you have to enable Wipe to Wake feature. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap motion and gestures. And then tap the gray on off switch next to Leave to Wake until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, turn off the screen. And then put your phone down. Next, pick up your phone. As you can see, when you pick up your phone, the screen will turn on automatically. Given to the function, when the Leave to Wake feature is on, your phone will automatically wake up the screen as soon as you pick it up. This will add convenience, allowing you to quickly check notification or time without having to press any buttons or to tap the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.